Hi, my name is Adil. I am from Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. I am a low vision person. So for a low vision, it is very tough to operate systems when it comes to the default mode, like when the laptop or computer are in like this mode. So it is very tough for most of the low visions to see on it because the light fallen on the eyes given strains. So for that purpose, we can use a solution which is called a high contrast mode. We can just press a simple key command which is Alt, Shift and then print screen. So it will ask us, do you want to go into the high contrast mode? So I will just press enter and the screen you can see it will just turn into black. So this is the high contrast mode. It is applicable for it will be available in all the systems and in all computers. It is by default available, and you can see I am just going into a Word document. So the background of this also changes into black and the font is in white. And again, if I have to go back to the default mode, I will just press the same key command Alt to Shift and print screen. So you can see the Word document which was initially black background and white font text. Now it is background white and black is in font. So and the default mode here also on the desktop screen also changes into default mode only. So the simple key command is Alt, Shift and print screen and then press enter to activate the high contrast mode.
Breakfreesolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.